Based on the three-point method of inserting clips that we learnt in the previous lesson, I would like to show a couple of other possibilities. And to do so, I'll define a region in the timeline. I've gone to the end to show this better, and I'll specify a mark in point, and I will type directly into the duration field the desired length of the region, for example 3 seconds, or 0300, and confirm with enter. In doing so, the out point is created. And if I then create a mark out point rather than a mark in point in the clip I am going to insert, and so create my third point, then something different happens. We will see this now. I'll specify overwrite to timeline, and the clip is placed into the specified region. Now we have the question of what did Edius do? And we can have a look. I'll go back a frame, and we can see the final frame that Edius inserted, and that is the frame that is located at my mark out point. Edius has therefore used 3 seconds of this clip, ending with our out point, to fill the region. I'll undo this and lengthen the region here somewhat. Now it is 14 seconds. And so now I'll use the overwrite to timeline function again. And we see that the same frame is used, but more of my clip's material is used as well. I'll undo once again, remove this clip with delete, and specify a new time region. And this time it should be much longer. I'll specify this time more than a minute. Now, I'll use the overwrite to timeline function again, and obviously the clip still ends with the frame at the out point, but over a minute of material is inserted before it. And we can see that it changes into other scenes because of this. What I wanted to show with this was how, by specifying an out point in a clip, then the specified region being specified in my timeline will be filled with the required length of material ending at my out point. This is useful when I want a clip to end exactly at a certain frame, and I don't want to work out the length required to end on that frame and replace a clip. If this is the clip I want to replace, I select it and press the Z key. And I want it replaced so that it ends at this frame. Then I have to progress like this. Define my out point here, use overwrite to timeline, and then the clip is inserted with the final frame being the one I specified. So in summing this up, when working with 3-point editing, you see that if an out point is defined in the clip you wish to insert, or likewise an in point, that is the frame that the clip will end or start with.